You're welcome to our piano music class today with Matthew Agba. In our class today, we will be talking about what the piano is and what the piano is all about, what comprises of the piano, and how the piano is being played using the fingers. So, first and foremost, we ask ourselves, what do we mean by the piano? The piano, for a beginner, is seen as a musical instrument that is made up of white and black keys. So a piano simply refers to a musical instrument that comprises of the white and the black keys. So looking at the piano, we could see that the black keys are arranged in group of twos and group of threes. So we have group of twos, group of threes, group of twos, group of three, group of twos, group of threes. So group of two and group of threes makes one octave. So an octave in music simply refers to the arrangement of 8 keys. So whenever you hear the word octave, it simply refers to as 8 keys. So we continue. But before we go into the names of the white and perhaps the black keys, we would need to acclimatize ourselves with the musical alphabet. In music, we make use of the first 7 capital letters of the alphabet, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So those are basically the 7 musical alphabets we have in music. So we proceed further to look at the names of the white keys on the piano. Now, basically, we would start with C. We are not going to start with A, but because of the conventional arrangement of the white keys of the piano, depending on the octave of the piano. Conventionally, in a 5-octave keyboard, the key begins with key C. So for today's class, permit us to start with key C. So key C is the white key before the 2 black keys. Key D is the white key in between the 2 black keys. Key E is the white key above the 2 black keys. Key F is the white key before the 3 black keys. Key G is the white key before the middle of the 3 black key. Then key A is the white key above the middle of the 3 black keys. Then key B is the last white key after the 3 black keys. So we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. This makes an octave. So there are actually 8 keys from C to C. We move further to look at our fingerings on the piano. So our fingerings on the piano refers to the position of our fingers and how it is being played on the piano, observing the various names of the white keys. So for our right hands, we have 5 fingers, which are the thumb, which is finger number 1, the first finger being finger number 2, the middle finger being finger number 3, the ring finger being finger number 4, and our little finger being finger number 5. Same with our left hand, thumb, finger 1, first finger, finger 2, middle finger, finger 3, ring finger, finger 4, and little finger, finger 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But on placing on the piano and playing on the piano, it's going to be reverse on both sides. This is what I mean. So this is finger 1 is playing C, finger 2 is playing D, finger 3 is playing E, 4 is playing F, and 5 is playing G. So we move C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So on the left hand side, so we have finger 5 will be playing C, finger 4 will be playing D, finger 3 will be playing E, finger 2 will be playing F, and finger 1 will be playing G. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. So playing them simultaneously at the same time, we have 5 on C and 1 on C. 5 on C on the left hand and 1 and C on the right hand. So we move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So they move together. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. So as a piano teacher, I would advise you learn your right hand separately and your left hand separately. Then if you're good at both differently, then you can combine them together. So try this at home and you'll be glad that you did. Thank you for listening. See you same time in the next class. Bye.